Very good afternoon, children. The next topic is screw gauge. So, what are the parts in screw gauge? Already we discussed this parts. Once again, repeat. This is anvil. This is U-shaped frame. Yeah, this is U-shaped frame. Then this screw is called as spindle. Measuring surface. This gap is nothing but measuring surface. Parallel or sleeve. This part is called parallel or sleeve. This is tumble, ratchet, stop. This is spindle, lock, nut. Here U-shaped frame. This is the parts of screw gauge. The next, screw gauge is an instrument. What is the uses of screw gauge? Screw gauge is an instrument that can measure the dimensions up to 1 by 100th of the millimeter or 0.01 millimeter. With the screw gauge, it is possible to measure the diameter of thin wire and thickness of thin metallic plates. So, very important point, note it down, student. With the screw gauge, it is possible to measure the diameter of the thin wire. So, the thin wire which is placed this measuring surface, we can calculate the diameter of the thin wire and the thickness of thin metallic plates. The next, description of screw gauge. The screw gauge consists of U-shaped frame. A hollow cylinder is attached. This is the hollow cylinder attached to one end of the frame. Grooves are cut. Grooves are cut on the inner surface of the cylinder through which a screw passes. This is a screw passes over on this cylinder. On the cylinder parallel to the axis of the screw. This is parallel to the axis of the screw. Cylinder is parallel to the axis of screw. There is scale which is graduated here. This is a scale which is graduated in millimeter. It is called as the pitch scale. PS. Short form is PS. This reading is called pitch scale reading. One end of the screw is attached to the sleeve. The head of the sleeve, thimble is divided into 100 division here. This is the 100 divisions and it is called as a head scale here, head scale. To the head scale. The end of the screw as a plane surface is called spindle. End of the screw in the plane surface is called spindle. A stud here, this part is a stud anvil is attached to the other end of the frame, just opposite to the tip of the screw. The screw head is provided with a ratchet. The ratchet arrangement safety device to prevent the user from exerting undue pressure. So this is the description of screw gauge. Next, using the screw gauge. The screw gauge works on the principle that when a screw rotates in a nut, the distance moved by the tip or the screw is directly proportional to the number of rotation. Once again repeat, principle. Screw gauge works on the principle that when a screw rotates, screw rotates in a nut, the distance moved by the strip or screw, distance moved, this screw is directly proportional to the number of rotation. Here. This is the number of rotation. Pitch of the screw. What is meant by pitch of the screw? Children, very, very important point and topic for your 2 mark question. Then objective types also. pitch of the screw. What is meant by pitch of the screw? Pitch of the screw is the distance moved by the tip of the screw for one complete rotation of the head. It is equal to 1 millimeter in typical screw gauges. Pitch of the screw is equal to distance moved by the pitch divided by number of rotation by head scale. Distance moved by pitch. Here the screw move on the pitch scale reading. Distance moved by the pitch divided by number of rotation. This rotation number of எத்தனை டைம் நம்ம ரொட்டேட் பண்றோம் இந்த பார்ட்டை இதை வச்சுக்கிட்டு நம்ம ரொட்டேட் பண்றோம் எத்தனை டைம் ரொட்டேட் பண்ண நம்பர் ஆஃப் ரொட்டேட்ஸ் ரொட்டேட் பண்ண என்ன ஆகும் இந்த பிட்ச் ஸ்கேல்ல இந்த ஸ்க்ரூ மூவ் ஆகிட்டே வரும் ஸோ the formula is distance moved by the pitch divided by number of rotation by head scale is nothing but pitch of the screw. Once again repeat, the pitch of the screw is the distance moved by the tip of the screw for one complete rotation of the head. It is equal to 1 millimeter. Please note it down. 1 millimeter is typical screw gauges. So pitch of the screw is equal to distance moved by the pitch divided by number of rotation by head scale. Next, least count of screw gauges. So least count of screw gauge is nothing but LC is equal to value of one smallest pitch scale reading divided by total number of head scale division. So total number of head scale division is 100. Total number of head scale division is 100. 100 readings are in the head scale. அதனால total number of head scale division is 100. Here one pitch scale reading. Value of one smallest pitch scale reading is nothing but 1. 1 divided by 100 is equal to 1 millimeter. 1 divided by 100 is equal to 0.01 millimeter. This is the value of least count for the screw gauge. Here least count of the instrument, least count is equal to value of one smallest pitch scale reading divided by total number of head scale reading. So least count is equal to smallest pitch scale reading is nothing but 1, value of 1. 1 divided by total number of head scale division is nothing but 100. So 1 divided by 100 is equal to 0.01 millimeter. Next topic is zero error of the screw gauge. Zero error. So here also there are two types of errors. One is the positive error and another one is the negative error. When the movable stud, here this is the stud, movable stud, this movable stud of the screw and the opposite fixed stud. Fixed stud means this is the fixed stud, this is movable stud. Here this screw is called movable because when we rotate this screw means this screw part, these parts of the screw move towards to the left hand side or right hand side, movable screw. So that is why it is called movable stud. This is fixed stud, is nothing but anvil and spindle. Then when the movable stud of the screw and the opposite fixed stud on the frame are brought into contact, ரெண்டுத்தையும் என்ன பண்ணோம் touch பண்ண வச்சணும், brought into the contact. If the zero of the head scale, zero of the head, this is the head, zero of the head lies below the pitch scale axis, this is the axis of pitch scale, lies below the pitch scale. If the zeroth of the head scale lies below the scale axis, pitch scale axis, the error is zero error is positive. So here from this diagram, the zeroth line of head scale placed below the pitch scale axis, this is the axis, blue color mark is called as a pitch scale axis. Axis ku below are in the zero, this is called positive error. Zero error is called positive zero error. So fifth line only exactly coincide with the pitch scale axis. In the pitch scale axis ku fifth line da exactly coincide irukku, division head scale coincide with the pitch scale axis. Then the zero is positive is given by zero error formula is, this is a very important formula, plus n into LC, plus n into LC. Please note it down children. Zero error is equal to plus n into LC. N means where n is the 8 scale coincidence. So 8 scale coincidence. 8 scale coincidence means 5. 5 is the 8 scale coincidence. So n is the 8 scale coincidence. In this case, 0 error plus 5, that means n value is 5. What is the value of least count? 0.01 is equal to 0.05 millimeter. So the zero correction is minus 0.05 millimeter. Already in vernier caliber, same statement. 0 error value plusல வந்துச்சுன்னா 0 correction என்ன பண்ணணும், அந்த வேல்யூ மைனஸ் பண்ணணும். So minus 0.05 millimeter, same statement. The next, negative 0 error. First one is positive. Here this is a negative 0 error when the plane surface of the screw and the opposite plane, when the plane surface of the screw and the opposite plane stud on the frame are brought into contact. That means here these two screw, that means fixed stud and movable stud brought into contact. ரெண்டுத்தையும் டச் பண்ணிடணும். டச் பண்ணிட்டா அப்போ இங்க ரீடிங் என்ன காட்டுதுன்றதை தான் வச்சு தான் பாசிட்டிவ் எரர் ஆர் நெகட்டிவ் எரர் கால்குலேட் பண்றோம். So here it lies above the pitch scale. Here when the plane surface of the screw and the opposite plane stud on the frame are brought into contact, if the zero of the head scale lies here, this is the zero reading of the head scale lies above the pitch scale axis. Here this is the pitch scale axis. Pitch scale axis ல இருந்து 0th reading of head scale எங்க இருக்கு? மேல இருக்கு. Above the pitch scale axis, the zero error is negative. So is called negative 0 error. Here 95th line of the head scale, 95th division of head scale exactly coincide with the axis, pitch scale axis. Then the zero error is negative and is the formula, zero error formula here, please note it down, minus 100 minus into 100 minus n into LC. Here n is nothing but, this is 95th lines of the pitch scale is nothing but n, that is the head scale coincidence. 95th head scale coincidence is nothing but n. So 100 minus 95 into LC, here minus 5. 100 minus 95 is nothing but 5 plus 5. Here outer side one minus sign available. So minus 5 into 10. What is the value of least count? 0.01. So minus 0.05 millimeter. Minus 0.05 millimeter. So the zero correction. இப்போ value minusல வந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணோம்? correct பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணோம்? plus பண்ணணும். plus பண்ணாதான் இந்த 0 exactly coincide with the pitch scale axis. Principal axis க்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? equal ஆயிடும். So plus 0.05 millimeter add பண்ணணும். 0 error வந்து negative error, but 0 correctionல இந்த value என்ன பண்ணணும்? add பண்ணணும். Next, important thing, once again repeat, least count of the screw gauge and then pitch scale, pitch of the screw. Very very important 2 mark question. Pitch of the screw is equal to distance moved by the pitch divided by number of rotation by head scale. The next, what is the formula for the least count of the screw gauge? Least count is equal to value of one smallest pitch scale reading divided by total number of head scale division. That means least count is equal to 1 by 100, 0.01 millimeter. There are 2 errors. One is the positive error, another one is the negative 0 error. Positive 0 error means 0th lines of the head scale division below the pitch scale axis. So error is called as a positive error. Then negative error means 0th line of the head scale placing above the pitch scale axis. So error is called as a negative 0 error. Positive 0 error means what is the formula? n plus n into LC. Negative error formula is minus into 100 minus n into LC. So what is the least count of the screw gauge? Least count of the screw age is nothing but 0.01 millimeter. Thank you.